welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into all of my favorites that I have accumulated over the past few months. So I'm going to be putting out these monthly favorites video at the end of every month or the beginning of every month, but it's going to be my favorites that I've loved for more than just the month, if that makes sense. I'm not a huge fan of like first impressions and reviews based on things that you haven't like truly used enough to give an opinion on. So all of the stuff here I genuinely love and I recommend. I put my stamp of approval on all of them. So let's dive right into my favorites that I've had for the past few months. These are in no particular order, by the way, but I will be doing fashion at the end, so stay tuned to the end of the video to see all my favorite fashion picks that I've been loving. But up first, I'm trying not to blind you guys, my Anthropologie Gleaming Primrose Vanity Mirror. This thing is absolutely amazing. I do have my big vanity mirror on my vanity that has like the intense lights, but I have to put it far back on my vanity. So this is like my up close and personal mirror and I'm able to move it. And when I bought it, I wasn't sure how the quality was going to be because I feel like sometimes when you buy stuff from Anthropologie, it isn't the best quality. However, this one is really, really well made and I love the Gleaming Primrose line. So this has definitely been a favorite of mine. My next favorite is so super random, but I had to mention it because it's been like my favorite cleaning tool lately. As you guys know, I've been on a little cleaning journey, and this is the scrubbing brush from Target. It's $3. It is the perfect brush for cleaning and scrubbing surfaces. This tag peels off super easy when you buy it, and I normally use this in my sink to clean it out after I do dishes or to even clean dishes. And after it's lived its long life, I then transition it to use in cleaning bathrooms once I no longer scrub dishes with it. So it's really affordable, it's from Target, and it's super handy for cleaning. And this is just an adult thing that I have picked up that has helped me along the way. So that's a favorite. My next favorite is my Pochette Matisse. I have been absolutely loving this. I got this for my birthday. You open the front flap and you are met with a few different compartments. If you guys want me to do a what's in my bag, definitely let me know. I did it before for my Neverfull and I can show you again for the Pochette Matisse. It's honestly so functional. It's worth the price for me. I did find a few affordable options. There's one like dupe of this. It's not a counterfeit, it's not like an ultra fake, but it is a dupe. It has a different print but the same exact style. And then I found one that's just similar. So if you want the look for less, I'll have those linked down below. And also I did find another look for less of my vanity mirror. I found it on Amazon and it's way cheaper than that one. So I'm going to try to give you guys affordable options if I'm talking about something expensive, just in case you're interested in the product, but it's just not in the budget. So this has definitely been a favorite. I highly recommend it if you can get your hands on it. I had to get mine from StockX, but it's like my absolute favorite bag ever and it's so functional. This next product is kind of random, but I found it on Amazon. So you sit this on your vanity and you put this little magnet around your charger and the magnet sticks to this little base and it holds your chargers up so your wires don't keep falling down on the side of your bed. I use it on my nightstand and it just keeps my wires kind of like organized and out of the way. I noticed in one of the videos I did, I had a wire like laying across the floor and that's all I could keep my eyes on. So this helps keep my things organized and is relatively affordable from Amazon. Up next is this eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Moonstone. It's this super reflective eyeshadow. Mine's actually broke. If you can see, the eyeshadow popped out. I got it from Belk or Macy's. I think Macy's. It's so shiny. If you've ever noticed something shiny on my lids, it is 100% always this eyeshadow. I've worn this honestly even last year. I just didn't want to recommend it in my year-end video favorites just because I hadn't used it long enough to, of course, talk to you guys about it. But it is my tried and true shiny eyeshadow for the lid. Sometimes I wear it alone. Sometimes I put it on top of darker eyeshadows to kind of change the look, but it is one of the best eyeshadows that I own. Honestly, it might be the best. Another favorite I wanted to talk to you about is this purse hook that I got from Amazon. It's kind of like a sparkly, shimmery, kind of crystally toppy. What you do is you put it on a surface and you can hang your purse on here so it doesn't touch the ground. Now, I didn't buy these just when I had luxury purses. I bought these when I had more affordable options. I just don't like my purse that I hold against my body to touch like the ground or surfaces, or if you go out to dinner and you have like nowhere to put your bag, then this helps save room. You don't have to use a seat for your bag. You don't have to put your bag on the ground. This is just so functional and I love that it's just a clear crystal top. I have two others that are marble, but this one is my favorite and it's the one that I have in my Pochette Matisse. It's so functional and it's so affordable, so I had to recommend it. I am all over the place in this video, but up next is the JVN Undamaged Strengthening Shampoo. I also love the conditioner, but I ran out and I already threw away the bottle, so I only have the shampoo to talk to you about today. But they're super gentle and nourishing shampoo and conditioner that doesn't leave a residue on your hair. If you have fine hair like me, sometimes heavy products like the Vegan More shampoo and conditioner that I use, it's way too heavy for me, so this one is perfect. It's like that weightless hydration that I feel like a lot of people are after, especially in the winter. This is perfect for my sensitive scalp and it's so affordable, and you can get them at Sephora. I actually have two other products from JVN Hair Care that I absolutely love. It is the Complete Pre-Wash Scalp Oil and then the Nourishing Shine Drops. I actually have a little bit of the Shine Drops in my hair today. I am completely exhausted from my new puppy, so I had to just kind of slick my hair back. I didn't have time to do a full routine to my hair, so these Shine Drops came in handy. It kind of slicked my hair back without making it greasy. It just kind of toned down the flyaways, and then also it made my ends look not as dry. I mean, they're kind of struggling right now, but it definitely helps. And then the Pre-Wash Scalp Oil is perfect to throw on your scalp and rub it in if you have psoriasis on your scalp or just a dry scalp in general. This really helps before you jump into the shower. I notice personally I get very, very dry scalp and hair before I shower instead of my hair getting greasy, so these products come in handy. They're also super affordable, like the shampoo and conditioner, so I had to recommend them. This is another random favorite that I had. It's these little hair cutting scissors I got off Amazon. You can get hair cutting scissors anywhere, but I will link these ones down below for you. I haven't been to my hairstylist in a while since I moved up to Jacksonville. I need to schedule an appointment with her because she's in a different city, but in the meantime, anytime I find a split end, I just chop it off with these scissors. And voila, they're gone. This doesn't replace a hairstylist or someone who can cut your hair. However, it's good to have on hand in case you need to cut off some flyaways or some split ends. I actually have more things from Amazon I want to talk about. Up next are these gold pens that I got. I just love how fluid these write. It's a really, really nice gold pen. It's actually what I've been using in my bullet journal. They're so affordable and it's just a very satisfying pen to write with. Moving along, I have two lip gloss recommendations that I have been obsessed with. So the first one you can get on Amazon. It's under $15. I think it's $11. It's the Leovard Lip Luster. It's unscented. It has skincare in it, so hyaluronic acid. It is so nourishing and nice. It makes your lips look plump and juicy. It's not a plumping lip gloss, so it doesn't have that tingling effect, but it's just a really, really good quality lip gloss. I keep these in my purse when I'm out and about and in my nightstand. And then my other one that I use, I'm actually wearing it today, is the St. Jane lip gloss in Nectar. It's the Luxury Lip Shine. These are so, so good. They have cream formulas and then they have sparkly formulas. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it is so, so beautiful. And it's one of the only lip glosses, along with the one I just talked to you about, that don't create those weird gross lines on my lips that I get with a lot of other lip products. So I highly recommend these. I have two skincare products to talk about. One is the Shani Darden eye cream. This thing has been a favorite since I got it in the Sephora sale last year. It's absolutely amazing. It's a little pricey. I think it's $68. However, this is going to last you forever. It's super hydrating. It really helps depuff my eyes, kind of smooth out the skin under my eyes. I have very, very thin skin under my eyes, so I have to keep it hydrated or else makeup looks weird there, or I look very blue under my eyes. This honestly has helped me look more hydrated and awake. I might not look hydrated and awake right now because my puppy has been keeping me up at night, but this is an absolute favorite. I highly recommend. It is so worth the price because you're gonna get way more than a month's use out of this. I've had this since December and I've used it almost every night that I've done my skincare and this has honestly helped me so much. And up next is one of my Miracle products that is so unbelievably expensive, but it works so, so well. This is the BioEffect EGF Serum. I do have a dupe that I want to talk to you about for this in a second. However, this is a hyaluronic acid serum with EGF in it. I think that's a protein. I haven't looked too into the science of it yet, but it's so unbelievably hydrating. And to be honest with you, I've been struggling with my mental health the past few months, so I haven't been consistent with my skincare routine. That's kind of one of the first things that goes for me when I am struggling. So I haven't used this every day, but as you can see, I've gone through almost the whole tube. This is kind of like my miracle product because even if my skin is dry and parched and textured, because I haven't been doing the best skincare that my skin needs, this comes to the rescue. The price kind of hurts my heart, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna have to repurchase it because it's the only thing that doesn't break me out, that hydrates my skin completely. It's like one of my ride or die products. If you've tried it before, you'll know it's so good. I do have a coupon code with Look Fantastic. This wasn't sponsored in any way by any company whatsoever. These are just personal favorites, but I do have a coupon code with Look Fantastic for 22% off. So if you do want to pick this up, make sure you use the coupon code. I don't receive any money from that. It's just a discount code that I have for you all to make this a little bit more affordable. And the dupe that I have for it is the Clarity RX Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It only has 4 ingredients. It's water, hyaluronic acid, I think glycerin of some sort, and then I think vitamin B. I will link that dupe down below because it's a much more affordable option than that. It doesn't have the EGF in it, so it doesn't have the anti-aging properties, but it does have that high concentration of hyaluronic acid that is so nourishing to the skin, so I wanted to recommend it. I also wanted to mention this Starlit powder from Makeup Forever. This is what I use as my inner corner highlight whenever I do my makeup. It's kind of like the loose pigment form of the Bobbi Brown product. The Bobbi Brown products can be a little chunky, so I always use my finger and it blends out seamlessly, but this I can just use with a brush on my inner corner and it's absolutely perfect. It never looks chunky. It always looks bright and shiny and beautiful. I think it wakes up every single look that I do. So this has been a favorite for honestly so long. Let me see if I can do a little swatch for you. Oh, I just did that over lip gloss. That was terrible. I'll be doing a makeup video soon on how I've been doing my makeup looks recently. I know I said I would do that before, but I'm gonna get to it and I'll talk more about that product then. The last makeup favorite that I have is the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint with SPF 40. I normally reserve this for use in the summer, but I've just been using it lately because like I said, when my skincare is lacking, my face gets super dry, and this is so hydrating. If you're oily, I'm sorry, this is not gonna be a product for you. I tend to get sweaty, if that makes sense, so sometimes my face can appear oily, but it's a little bit sweaty. So to combat that, I use my Hourglass Powder Mineral Veil. I'll link it down below. It's been like a favorite for so many months. Honestly, a couple years. I do have an ongoing list of like holy grail products that I've been collecting, so I was gonna do a video on that at the end of the year. Anyway, that was a tangent. This has been amazing. It's super hydrating. It does oxidize a shade darker, so I would suggest getting your shade, maybe even a shade lighter. My last skincare fave is the Necessaire, the body wash. This one's a fragrance-free one. I love the top of it. You twist the top, and then you can just squeeze out product. So you're not taking a cap off. It doesn't get gross and dirty. I'm really weird about shower products. I don't like them to get all sudsy and gross. So I really love the packaging on this. It looks really sleek. Their products are super clean. It does get off all the grease and oil and whatever is on my body that needs to get washed off, but it doesn't dry me out. I do also have, I don't know if you can see it, I have the body lotion right there. It is so good as well, but I don't have as much experience with it as I do the body wash from Necessaire. This one is really good. So my current perfume fave is the Daisy Love by Marc Jacobs. It's the Oh So Sweet perfume. I think this is a EDT. It smells so delicious. This is perfect for spring and summer. It has like a sugar musk, cloudberry kind of note to it. It's so light and fresh and juicy and sweet. It has like the essence of Marc Jacobs Daisy if you've ever smelled it before. So it is a floral, but it's more so sweet and kind of fruity and juicy. And I do have two, I don't want to say they're exact dupes for this, but they're like very similar and super affordable products. I talked about them in my affordable perfume video. It's the Sparkling Hibiscus perfume from Mix Bar at Target, and then the Slow Dance perfume at Anthropologie. This one is a little bit more fruity and caramelly. This one is a little bit more strawberry forward, but they all have that same kind of like juicy, bright, fruity, maybe a tiny bit floral, but super sweet kind of scent. So it's delicious. I think they're very comparable to the Marc Jacobs one if you didn't want to spend the money on it. Also, this one has similar packaging right here. So this really is kind of like the store brand version of the Marc Jacobs one. These are all beautiful. Again, these will all be linked down below. You can't go wrong with any of these for the spring or summer. Up next, I wanted to talk about my favorite decor piece that I've been loving. These are the white and gray checkered boxes from Target. I noticed online the reviews on these were terrible for some reason. I think there was a 3 out of 5 stars, but mine are perfect. They're so functional. They're super cute. and you can store stuff in it. I put my remotes in them when they're not in use. I can also store anything that I want in the living room, like extra chargers, stuff like that in these, and they look super chic. It also reminds me of, if you are a Mackenzie Childs girl, if you like that kind of stuff, they're coming out with a sterling print at some point this year, which is a white and gray. So I wanted to get these because it gives me that Mackenzie Childs vibe without the price tag. Moving into the clothing and accessories, these Hoka Slides that I got have been absolutely amazing. So Hoka is, I think, a running brand. I am flat-footed and I have wide feet, so if I'm doing a ton of stuff around the house, I have to have slides on because my feet have no support. These have a ton of support. They're super cute. I got them from Nordstrom's. They are $50, which is kind of pricey for a slide, but they are so comfortable. I even got a pair for Nick. They're just so supportive too. So honestly, I will invest all the money that I need to into my feet to make sure that they keep me standing and keep me moving. They are the real powerhouse of my body. So super happy with these. I love them. They come in this pink color, which is selling out super fast. So I'll link this one down below. I think it already sold out on Nordstrom, but I'm pretty sure I saw it on Zappos. I'll have to link it for you. You'll see soon. I do have coffee stains on these because I'm sure you guys know I spill my coffee all the time. I don't know what the problem is. But yeah, these are an absolute favorite. One of my favorites of the month for clothing are the Lululemon Align Shine leggings. So as you can see, they have a beautiful shine to them. There's no pockets. That has a little Lulu symbol on the back. These are more sturdy in my opinion than the normal Aligns. I started to get a tiny bit of pilling on my normal Aligns because I wore them so much, which I've never experienced pilling from Lululemon leggings before, so that was kind of weird for me, but these haven't done that. These just go great with a graphic tee. I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing me in a graphic tee and leggings like this when I do vlogs, but honestly, it's been my go-to outfit, and like I said, my mental health has not been the best lately, so I kind of need that easy go-to outfit just to kind of get myself somewhat together. So these really help for that. Lululemon is always expensive, but it's worth the investment for me to feel comfortable as a plus size lady. And it's probably no surprise, I have another favorite from Lulu. It's the Lululemon All Yours tee. This one is perfect for working out. It is so good. I also wear it as like a graphic tee with the leggings. They do have some on sale right now for $28, I believe. I got a white and a black one for $28 each, which is a steal for Lululemon. It is an oversized fit, so I was able to get a 20 and it fits nice and like slightly baggy on me. These ones I think are $58, which is pricey, but it is like the most comfortable fabric. It's like the workout version of the Skims tee, if that makes any sense to you, the Skims boyfriend tee. That one's like a really soft, stretchy fabric, and so is this one, but this one seems to be a little bit more active wear. Maybe because of the stitching, I'm not sure. And last but not least, Nastygal has been putting out some super cute pieces. This is one of their dresses. It's the leopard print one. I think it's sold out, but it's like the sheer sleeve, super cute back. It has a tie in the back. It covers my bra. It's a mini dress. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. In full disclosure, I wanted comfort, so I'm wearing my Skims bra underneath this, so I'm not even wearing like a real bra, and you wouldn't even know. So definitely check out Nastygal for their dress options. They're kind of unique. They're a little bit edgy, so I don't go for all their pieces, but they do have some really fun ones. All right, you guys, that is it. We have reached the end of this video. I love all of these products that I've recommended to you today. They have been favorites for over a couple months now. Please don't forget to like this video. It really helps me and it lets me know if you want more of these videos in the future. Also, leave a comment down below if you've had any favorites you've been loving lately that I need to try out, because I love getting feedback from you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.